Are you still figuring out if you should use FlutterFlow or if you should use WeWeb? Now, let me make that decision for you very simple by just explaining what they are really good at. Now, FlutterFlow is really good if you are going mobile first and mobile only. So if you want a mobile application only for iOS and for Android, and you don't want a web application to accommodate that, you are probably, you probably are the right person to use FlutterFlow. Now, especially if you are wanting to introduce things like video calling or like phone calling using CallKit, right? There are lots of Flutter packages that make that very simple to implement. Now, if you go with WeWeb, you probably want to use WeWeb if you are building a hybrid application, meaning you want to have a web application for it to accommodate the mobile application, and you also want to have an Android application, and you also want to have an iOS application. And you want all of that to be managed in one project, in one WeWeb code base or NoCode base, actually. If that is, the convenience you want to go with, there are great technologies out there. You could either do it as a PWA. That way, you won't be able to distribute it on the App Store, but you also don't have to pay Apple 15% in commissions for every sales on that application for in-app purchases. And the other route would be you could use a framework on top of WeWeb like Despia, which I'm the CEO of, and you can use this to add native functionalities inside of WeWeb using a simple JavaScript SDK that can run in a workflow. And then you can use Despia's CI/CD pipelines to one-click publish that application to the App Store and the Google Play Store in seconds. Those are your options. But again, if you're building the next WhatsApp, probably go with FlutterFlow. If you're building the next Cal AI, probably go with WeWeb and Despia.